Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On Sunday night, as a burst of Arctic air swept southward across the Great Plains, power plants in Texas started flicking offline. Texas power plants were only able to muster up roughly 51 gigawatts of electricity, leaving millions without power and shivering in the cold. The 18th of February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Almost exactly a decade ago, in February 2011, frigid temperatures caused some of the state's key power infrastructure, including natural gas wells, to freeze up, cutting off a major source of electricity and heating for Texans. 19 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Texas has an unusual power setup. Unlike the other states in the Union, which are mostly interconnected, Texas has its own power grid. That grid, which operates as the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, covers 90% of the state. The other 10% includes El Paso, the Upper Panhandle and a chunk of East Texas. 18 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.